Hi, my name's Greg. Welcome to the next level. You might have remembered me from videos such as Workshops and Dorset Air. Well, fear not, you've got to the next level now. Uh, if you want to know how to book thousands of clients, maybe millions every day, then stay tuned, you're on the right place. Now, of course, the easiest way to make many bookings is great work, great quality, consistent work, and all that sort of fun stuff. But that's like hard work, isn't it? So what we're going to do here is we're going to teach you how to sell the ability to sell to hundreds of people, hundreds of photographers, hundreds of videographers. The sky's the limit. It's definitely not a pyramid scheme. But what I've done is I've set up a website. You can go to that, and you need to log in with your mother's maiden name, your passport number, your bank account details and sort code, and your date of birth, and then all the details will be sent to you as soon as possible. So stay tuned for the next level, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.